Good day, my friends. It's Talisa at DIY Living by Talisa Lindsay. Hope you're having a great afternoon. What I love on my channel here is what I love to do is help you create and surround yourself with the things that you love. And I have done that a lot lately with the help of my Magnolia stencils. If you have not noticed lately, I have been making some pretty awesome stuff that just like blows my mind. One of them is I love this shirt. Have you guys seen recently? This is overlaid twice. There is a shimmery gold with a flat gold. And what I did is I waited until, I'm gonna show you which one I used, that the flat gold was dry first, and then I overlaid over the top of it. Here it is. I've used it several times, by the way. It's this pretty one right here. Now you're gonna see some of the paint that I was not able to get off because I have used this more than once, like I said, on several occasions. And it's still good. So I have it in its packaging and all of that. You can see to the back of it so that I can reuse it again. My next idea with it is I want to embellish some pillows and maybe make my own decor for a bedroom with it. And even on a lampshade, I think would be so stunning. So if you don't mind, I want to share some of my Magnolia stencils with you that I personally have in my stock. I have more coming this week because it's mind-blowing with the things I have that's in here that I want to do. And I also would love to share some of the products and the projects I've come up with so far in just the short length of time I've been using it in a few weeks. And before you ask, I'll show you a couple of times, but where you're going to find the information will be right here as far as if you're wanting to order, which I would appreciate if you did order from me. If you have any questions about wanting to also become a part of the team with Magnolia and all of that, I will also help you out. One of the privileges, this one right here, a lot of you may not know, but Lisa herself and I corresponded back and forth through messaging and came up with a final idea on this one. So I really, really love it. This is one that I personally will be using, but I'm gonna use it in several different ways. I think it's gonna be really awesome to do for the holidays. The only thing you have to do is maybe just not add the B to it, but you can use this itself, maybe put your name on the inside with stenciling, which we have, and I don't think I brought that one over here. Darn, I did not. But I have the fonts for the farmhouse style also in the cursive. That would be really pretty for the holidays if you wanted to put your name across here. I'm just throwing a few ideas that just pop and come off the top of my head as I'm showing you these stencils. This was another one that she was already starting on, and then she wanted to get my final intake on, and so I just gave her a few ideas on what to do with it. As you can see, it is a large one. This is going to be great for making wreaths, background drops. Again, if you're wanting to personalize it in here, you can do that, and it would be a really, really great idea to do for the holidays. So I do have those that are pretty large. Let's see, I have these other little guys too. There's quite a few of them. Now I have some of the seasonal stuff that's coming in, and I'm excited, so excited. You have to order them pretty quickly when it comes to seasonal stuff because it does sell out pretty quickly. And speaking of that, yesterday they just come out with some more stencils they put up. I was and within 5 hours they were almost gone because that's how crazy it is. But I was able to get in there and get some of the new products that's coming in. I did order a little bit more just because those that are a part of my downline, I wanted to be able to offer something special to them that's gonna be coming up this month. So just keep that in the back of your, I got this one, even though it was for back in the spring with the truck. Listen, ladies, there's a lot of ideas that pop to my head with this. And one of them is you don't necessarily have to use the flowers in the back. And if you need your tips on that, on how to do things, I will be glad to share that with my downline as well so that they know exactly all the tips and tricks I like to do and use and implement whenever I'm making these. Because honestly, it just makes making my home decor a lot easier with effort and a lot less stress, can I say, because they have the perfect little lines I can follow in, and it's just really simple and easy to do. All right. This one says, together is our favorite place to be. I love this. I believe this is something they did back in the spring. But again, there's some ideas that you can implement this year round that I have that I would love to show you guys if you're here a part of the page at DIY Living by Talisa Lindsay. These are gnomes. Who does not love gnomes? I love gnomes of all kinds, especially through the holidays. So these will be some ideas I'm going to throw up and show you how to do, especially like on little farmhouse trays or dough bowls. I think these are going to be fabulous to do, even as for little personal gift ideas for the holidays. This, everyone, I can't say everyone, I'm just going to speak for myself, loves farmhouse shabby chic. This is the girl that does. So I like to use both of those, and these are some of the ways I've done it. I like to use some of the little smaller little animals that you can see. I've made some personalized little hats that for those hair days that you don't feel like fixing and you still want to look absolutely cute. Throw in a couple of little bows inside your hat and some little rosettes with some lace, and the girl still got it going on, and she's going throughout her day looking chic with her little farmhouse ideas on the hat. And then of course these, I love chickens. Some of them are in my kitchen. I have polka dots and stripes and all of that I have in a little nook up there, and I love it. So this was something I wanted to implement and try it out and see what it's going to look like. This one, there's just some days you have to say that phrase, please heifer, or heifer please, whichever you want to do. But it's really cute to be able to dress up and just fun, whimsical, something to play with. And also, again, farmhouse. So that's what I have that's currently in my reach that I can show you that I love doing. Now, let me show you how I implemented them. You didn't see it, but one of the cursive ones, if you can see, I have the word gather, but I did it in a bright white. All right, and this is on cardstock that I've done. Now, so that you don't have the adhesive stick, this is a little tip I'm gonna give you, to your cardstock or paper, I always put down a protection of some type. And for me, it's glue or Mod Podge. Let it completely dry, and then you can go over and stencil over the top of it, and you won't have that problem with it sticking to the paper and then it turning around and being a hard thing to peel off, okay? So that's one of the ideas I love doing as well. Now, this one is a Dollar Tree. These all pretty much are Dollar Tree makeovers, by the way. And then this one here is a Dollar Tree makeover. And this was over in the section of craft section. I just used one of the farmhouse stencils, put it in there, thought it would be adorable for the fall. Isn't it cute? And so you can just set that up in your kitchen, in your shelf, a little nook, wherever you want to put it. And then again, the same thing here. This is an all year round stencil they have, which I've also put on hats, but I put it on my piece of jute, or what do you want to call it, burlap, and you can see it, how adorable it is, bled through. It's not like real prominent, but I didn't want it prominent. And then for the holidays, all you have to do is just change out what decor you want, which this is just ferns, just showing you can do it if you wanted to for Christmas. But for the fall, just stick your sunflowers in there. Pumpkins, little ideas like that would be great. And then right here, the last one I want to show you is I converted a Dollar Tree baking sheet into a little, I guess you want to call it message board list that I can do for groceries. And I just took the calendar, put it in the background. Again, one of the small stencils that are from the farmhouse line that I love, I put right here just because it mimics the image of what's going on here. And then of course, I just wanted to make it a little bit more suitable for my kitchen because I put it on magnets and it's stuck right on the refrigerator. So it makes it easy, fashionable, cute, and adorable. And I'm just letting you know, on a budget, you can make this happen with these stencils, and I absolutely love them. So I hope this gets your mind kind of like the juices flowing and getting creative, just what I love to do, and help you surround yourself with the things that you love in your home. And then obviously come back and let's see what else we come up with these Magnolia stencils. I think they're absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So hope that you love this. If you have any questions, please contact me. Be happy to answer them. And again, as far as the ordering goes, I know that in case you're interested, it's right there. It's DIYLiving.MagnoliaDesignsCO, which means short for company.com, and that's where you can go and do it. All right. So have a great and blessed day, and I'll see you real soon where we will get inspired to make some more of these adorable DIYs with our stencils. Have a great day. Bye-bye.